Hello traders, let's getting started. Let's watch what we can trade today. I hope everything is okay with the sound. Let's check. Yes, everything is okay. I really believe that many of you have worked out some setups from the previous streams, from the previous briefings, because many people wrote me that they managed to work out something. It's really good. All these things are really motivate me. And please, if you don't mind, please write down in the comments or direct message me if you managed to work out something that brought you some profit, because we are doing this for you and we are sharing all our thoughts with you to make your trading more efficient and more profitable. Before we start, I want to show you the free scalping course of the CSCALP. It's really worth paying attention to this course, especially for those who are beginners. All the necessary information, step-by-step instructions you will find there. Really good course for those who are just want to start but don't know from what you should start this craft, the really great craft of crypto trading. So let's start with our analysis. Let's watch what we can trade for today. We, as usual, start with the analysis of BTC. As I previously told you that the BTC was going to break this slope. It happened. Then I published the setup in the channel with the setups, where I offered you to short from this point, and it worked out extremely well. It gave us more than almost 4% on this movement, on the joining shorts on the retest of this slope. And now we have the full correction, the correction of the BTC, and I really believe that there will be 3 possible stages of this correction, and depending on this stage, we should find the setups to trade for today. The first one is it's gonna be this area, the area of this consolidation, very strong zone, as you see here, a very high volume accumulated. There will be 21,000 will be the most probable point from where the BTC will turn to grow again. Now we really need to make a correction to get rid of speculators. It's absolutely normal that we have correction now, and the first aim of this correction will be 21,000 flat. This is the very strong zone, the very strong market profile zone that will be protected at any price. In case it's broken, the next step, the next is the middle of this correction. I think we can even use FIBO. Let's make a FIBO. Yes, I think it will be 0.5 or even 0.618. One of the strongest level in such corrections, and this will be the very critical point from where if the price reach this point, it will be the last chance. It will be the last chance to continue the uptrend movement. If 0.618 is broken, it's the break of structure. It's the break of structure, and it will be the beginning of bearish trend again, because I will show you using this tool. For example, the first scenario, we are bringing back from this level. The first scenario, the most considering the current news background, the current political background, and the current mood of the market, I don't tell you that this is the absolutely clear bullish market, but nevertheless, I think from this point the pullback is much more probable, and there will be the correction to this point, and then we will go again higher. The next is 0.618. The middle of this structure of this impulse, and the first scenario, it will be the second scenario. The possible levels of correction, and finally we can break it and go below this, and it will be already red alarm about the shorts. Many huge players will be leaving the BTC on the current stage, and again it will be the continuation of bearish market. But I believe that everything will be okay. The first two scenarios are more probable. And now let's see what we have on the other instruments. Ethereum is gonna retest this level, this slope. I think it's gonna be during the upcoming 24 hours. And if it's accurate, I really prefer watching the entry point here on the retest zone, just to continue the trend here. Okay, but anyway, please watch your order book and always find the answer in the order book. So I'm gonna trade, if it's possible, I will be waiting the price somewhere here to trade this potential to this level. Okay, and maybe it will be the continuation of this potential in case it will break the level from the first try, if the BTC on this moment will be falling. People, another example of breaking of structure. As you see, there was quite obvious long trend that started to rounding the minimums. Here we see, for example, I will show you what I mean. The first minimum, the second minimum, everything okay, everything is okay. The next, and it looks like maybe it will be the liquidity grab, and we're going further and further. But here we see the next signs of breaking of this structure. And if this structure will be broken finally, if we touch this level for the next time, I think that it's reasonable to wait the breakout of this level towards the next one. So please watch this instrument, and please be careful, be aware when the price is gonna reach this level. The level 0.0249. Ocean. This is the zone of order block, and I really prefer trading such situations in the current stage of market. It really works very well, as you maybe managed to trade the same situations during the previous our briefings. It works really well. I'm waiting for price to reach this zone, and inside this zone there is only almost 2%. It's quite normal. Every 0.5% I will be loading with limit orders. Please, if you're gonna do the same, please divide your working volume by 4 parts, loading it gradually here, 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 and here. And the stop loss below this zone. Usually it's gonna give you about, I think, from 0.5 to 1%. It works out really well. Another one, station RVN. I really expect here the same story, the break of this structure, because we have a small lag between the BTC and the altcoins following the BTC. The BTC started the correction, and all the altcoins are waiting the approval of this correction. When we go lower, there will be the approval, and then we're gonna trade the corrections on other instruments, because here we had the same story, the quite obvious uptrend. And now, in case we have the next touch to this level, it will be the breakout of horizontal level to make a correction, like this. And I'm waiting the price to do several touches, and then the breakout towards somewhere here, just to make this correction, just following the BTC. Okay. OP-USDT looks really good, and this is there are very few setups for a long movement, and I really believe this is a very good zone to take a pullback from this. As you see, this zone, the price is already inside the zone, and as usually we trade smart money concept, the pullback from market profile level. This is market profile level. Sorry. Market profile level, and I'm waiting for the touch of this market profile level and then the pullback. The potential will depend on what will be happening in the order book. So please watch the order book and be very attentive. So this is our potential. I really prefer, as I already said, I really like these situations because this level usually protected extremely well. GMT, another one station with the market profile level, the same story. It almost break this zone, but nevertheless it really almost break it, but it's still relevant. You can load here with the stop loss below this zone with the potential. I will show you the potential. The potential towards the previous strong level, just because there weren't any retest here, just to retest it. LRC, the same story with the small zone with a very high volume here, just to really recommend you to wait for the price to touch this zone and getting the pullback from this zone. I'm sure it will work out. Please wait and be aware. Now I will answer your questions. Just a moment. We have something. I'm new in, hi everyone, I'm new in trading. I need some tips. I just have 130 euros and I want to invest. I really recommend you not to spend all your money. Just you can just leave 10 euros or 20 euros on your futures account and just trying to trade on all the tips provided by the CSCALP. All you need, that will be enough for you as a beginner. So you can watch all the videos on the CSCALP, you can watch the course, it's free. And after that, you will be able to train your ability to open, close trades correctly, and then just only after that applying different strategies. So it will take some time. It will take about 1 year approximately to before you show your very first success, I mean stable trading. So I wish you good luck. I think that CSCALP is providing more than enough for beginners to trade. All the theory, and it's available on the CSCALP TV YouTube channel and on the website, as you see. The course, I mean. I hope I answered your question, and that's all for today, guys. I really appreciate that you're watching us. Thank you, and see you soon.